Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. As you can see, short natural hairstyles have become fashionable, in recent years. We now see many celebrities and public figures embracing the short natural hairstyles. The hairstyles have become a popular choice for African American women. One thing they love about this haircut is that it's convenience enough for them, and they love the hair because of its versatility. They love the hair because of its cultural significance. They love the hair because of its health benefits, and you can see it for yourself that the hair is indeed fashion appeal. So you can see the hairstyle is gorgeous and it's lovely for black women. This hairstyle on your screen, it has this ability to make you look chic, and it's a hairstyle that will well, let's say with this kind of hairstyle, it will draw attention to your facial features, and it's a low maintenance hairstyle because it requires less time and effort for you to maintain, and it can make a particular styling option like for the busy boss ladies or those that are having this busy lifestyles. You can see the hairstyle really creates that modern and edgy look on this beautiful woman. So this hairstyle can be styled in many different ways, from the sleek and polished to give you that modern and edgy look. And you can see the haircut really takes many years of her age. So you can see, for you to look more beautiful, for you to look more edgy and energetic, trying this haircut, because it will give you that playful and lively appearance you ever wanted. This haircut on your screen has that ability to really make you look polished and sophisticated. You can see the hairstyle is both practical and is stylish, and is a haircut that will take many years of your age. So I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers, your first time on this channel. Subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me know your minds in the comment section below. I appreciate every one of you. God bless you guys for staying long. Just stay long for more beautiful short hair tips coming your way in the next few hours. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
Baby, you should know that I've been thinking of the things you do. Every word you say makes me wanna fall in love and rise again. Now you make me wanna sing la 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 la. Now you make me wanna write a love song. It's all about the way you are. I wanna say my mind, I gotta do it now. It doesn't matter how it turns out to be. It's burning in my heart and it's making me go mad. It doesn't matter how it turns out to be. Take me higher. You're the reason why I'm singing song. Burning in my heart, it's making me go mad. It doesn't matter how it say makes me wanna fall in love and rise again. Now you make me wanna sing la 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 la. Now you make me wanna write a love song. It's all about the way